So we are back again, and in this session we are going to continue with the first order and first degree ordinary differential equations. So we are going to take some more questions on it and hope you understand it properly with that number of questions. So the next question which we are going to take is solve dy by dx equals to y plus 1 the whole upon y plus 2 e power y minus x. Okay, so what we are going to do now, just listen here. If you observe, if you differentiate this, if you differentiate this one, if you differentiate this one, the denominator one, okay, denominator one, if you differentiate, okay, let me, y plus 2 e power y minus x, okay, if you differentiate it with respect to y, what you can get is something like, first it will be e power y plus 2, and then it will be just e power y. So what you can make out that it's differential. Okay, when you differentiate you don't get something like y plus some constant. Okay, so it is entirely different. Okay, whenever you get something like this, when the denominator the numerator is entirely different, okay, any one differentiation you do, okay, doing its differentiation doesn't make sense, because if you differentiate you will get some constant one, while if you differentiate you can make out that this can have chances to turn out to be like this. Okay, so if we differentiated this, but we came to a conclusion that they both don't have any similarities, okay, after differentiation also. So in this case we break the rule which we said earlier, that whenever a question is given, we don't do what, we don't multiply, or we are allowed just to shift the dx and dy. But here, since the differentiation is entirely different, so we are allowed to shift this denominator thing. Okay, so here how we predicted this, what things you have to give, like if they have given something like 1 by y minus 1 by x square into dx, you are not allowed to do it x square minus y upon xy square. This is wrong. But here how we are multiplying, I have told you, when anything like dy by 1 by y square is given and here xy is given dy. Okay, let me move on to that page only. Okay, suppose, let me take one more example. If 1 by x cube is given into dy is equals to 1 by y square into dx, so you are not allowed to move it here and move this there. You have to just solve it like this, move it that side and then solve it. This is correct. You are not allowed to multiply this thing here and this thing here. Okay, wrong, which is not allowed. Okay, so here why it is allowed, why here in this question why it is allowed. So that is the thing, that when you take the differentiation you come to a conclusion that the differentiation entirely varies, because of which you are allowed to multiply it here. Okay, you can take it like that. Now for the timing, okay, let's begin. Okay, so we will begin with this question. So now you know that we can multiply it. So what we are going to do, first we are going to simplify it. Simplify in what sense? We will multiply the y plus 2 e power y minus x with this. So we are going to get y plus 2 e power y minus x into dy is equals to nothing but y plus 1 dx, right? So what we can do, we can shift this that side. So we are going to get minus y plus 1 dx plus y plus 2 e power y minus x into dy should be equal to 0. Now comparing the comparing the given equation with m of x y dx n of x comma y dy equals to 0, we get what we get what is m of x comma y? It is nothing but minus y minus 1. You can make out minus y minus 1, while n of x comma y is nothing but it is what? Y plus 2 e power y minus x. Now to check whether it is an exact differential equation or not, you have to just differentiate dm by dy. You have to get this value, which will be minus 1. Similarly, dou n by dou x, which will be nothing but minus 1. Therefore, dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. So what you can say? Therefore, the given differential equation is a exact differential equation, right? After writing this, so its solution is, how we give solution? Y constant, m of x comma y dx integral terms of n of x comma y free from x into dy should be equal to constant. Therefore, just substitute the values. I will just write c. So here if I substitute, I have what? I have m of x comma y as minus y plus 1 dx into integral of this, which will give me y plus 2 e power y, because we want terms free from. So here it is the only term, which is free from what? Which is free from x. So you can make out that this is the only term which is free from, so we will not use any other term. So we will not consider this term because this is not free from x. So this is the only thing will be there. And then c, if I integrate this, what we will get? We are keeping y constant, so don't get hasty and integrate this. Y is constant. So what you are going to get? Minus y plus 1x plus, if you try to integrate this, just remember what I told you. Whenever in product rule, okay, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential, these three function appears as product, you can directly use the trick which I told you, that identify u and v. So you can clearly make out that this is your u, so it will be as it is, into integration of this, which will be this, minus, now you have to differentiate this, which will give you 1, right? And then integration of e power y again, this one. So here we will stop because this y terms ended here. So after this it will be c. So you just need to remember that formula which I told you. Let me tell you the formula also, which was u v dx is equals to u v1 minus u dash v1 double dash, okay, sorry, v2 plus, after this plus will appear u double dash v3 and so on. Only in case of trigonometric, exponential and algebraic, okay, remember that, okay, that is also very important. If you forget that, your answer will come wrong. So with this we are done with this question. After this you can clearly simplify this and get your answer. So let me write one more step. So this is our solution. Okay, hope you have understand each and every step. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. So the next question which we are going to take, is solve x square e power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus 2xy e power xy square minus 3y square dy equal to 0. This question given equation n of x comma y dx, okay, dy equal to 0. We get what we get? We get something like this, that m of x comma y is nothing but and n of okay. So we know this, that these are the two things. After this, what we need to check? We need to check dou m by dou y, which is nothing but, if you are checking this, okay, there will be differentiation, okay, of this, but hope we have not done anything. Okay, there is a error in question. This should be what? Y. Okay, this will be what? Y. So there is a error in question. Let me highlight it with another color. So this will be what? This will be y. Y square, not x square, y square. So here it will be y square. So if we differentiate it with respect to y, this is nothing but product rule will be applied here. So once 2y e power xy square will be there. Secondly, y square will be as it is, e power xy square into 2xy. Okay. So hope you have understand this thing properly. Now this thing will not be differentiated, and if we differentiate this with respect to x, we will be left with first 2y e power xy square, secondly 2x e power xy square into y square, and this will become 0. So if we simplify, what we are going to get? 2y e power xy square, take common, we are left with 1 plus xy square. Similarly, here in dou n by dou x, if I take 2y xy square common, I am left with plus 1. Therefore what you can say? Okay, you can say therefore the given is a exact differential equation. Okay, so its solution is given by, how can you give its solution? Its solution will be given by method, which was, what was the formula? Integral m of x comma y constant into terms from x constant. Just substitute things whatever you have and then try to get your answer. So if we substitute, we have y constant, and here what we will substitute here? Y square e power xy square plus 4x cube dx minus 3 y square dy equals to c. If I differentiate this, what I am going to get? If you integrate if you integrate this, you can see that y square is constant. So don't get into a hurry and use the product rule. Okay, if you use the product rule, you will get the wrong answer because y is constant. They have clearly mentioned y is constant. Many children will do this mistake, so don't do this mistake. Y is constant there. So what we are going to get is y square will be as it is, e power x y square will be there, and if you differentiate, okay, here it will be differentiation of x y square, so only y square will be left, and here what will be? It will be what? So if you integrate this 4x cube, it will become 4x cube by 4. Okay, now if you integrate this, minus 3y cube by 3 will appear, and finally constant. So this gives you to the answer xy square plus 4x cube minus y cube. So hope you have understand. This is our answer. Now let's move on to the next question, and this question is going to be, so this question, in the above question which we just did, the more important thing was that you should make out that they can give you some difficult integrations. Okay, that only they can do. Rest all is depending upon you. So the question which you are going to get is solve what 1 plus log xy into dx plus 1 plus x by y into dy should be equal to 0. Comparing So if we compare, they have directly given us the question in the format, okay, which is m of x comma y into dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0. You don't need to multiply it, okay, that will be wrong, okay, I have told you. So don't do that mistake. If you differentiate it with respect to y, you will get 1 by y. Okay, 1 upon x by y into y. So x will cancel out. Okay, 1 upon xy will be there, and if you okay, let me do it in steps. So xy will be there, and then if you differentiate this, x will be there. So finally 1 by y. Also you can split it into log x plus log y, depends upon you. If you simplify this, 1 by y is equal to, okay, so these things are equal. Now what we can do, therefore given differential equation is exact differential equation, so its solution is given by constant. What it will be? Now what you can see is m of x comma y is what? M of x comma y is this thing, 1 plus log x log y. which I can write it as 1 plus log x plus log y. So its integration will be easy if I write it in split format. After this I need to get terms free from x. So in this, the term free from x, is there any term which is free from x? Yes, this one is free from x. So I will write it 1 dy equals to c. If I integrate this, we are integrating with respect to, okay, with keeping y constant. So here it will be x and here it will be 1. When we integrate, okay, here we will use what? Product rule. So this log y integration will be log y into x, and this here you will take it 1 dot, okay, 1 dot, and apply the product rule, that is integral u dot v dx is equals to nothing but u into integral v minus integral du by dx into integral v, okay, integral u du, okay, u and the whole integral, okay. So that formula which will be used, that u dot v dx. So you must know that formula. So if you apply that formula, I told you to learn this, okay, its answer, which is x log x minus x plus, here it will be what? Y is equals to constant. So after this, if you simplify, what you can see, x will cancel out, and finally you will come to know that here they have x common, so we can take x common, and log y plus log x plus y is equals to c, which you can further write as x log xy plus y equal to c. So this is our answer. In the next session we are going to do some more questions, okay, and then we are probably going to try to end this thing. So till then, practice these problems and see you in the next lecture, okay, bye, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, okay.